In the silent era of the late 19th century, movie magic began with simple, hand-cranked projectors. These devices, such as the cinematograph invented by the Lumiere brothers in France, projected a series of images onto a screen, creating the illusion of motion. However, the viewing experience was, in essence, silent, save for the occasional live music accompaniment. Fast forward to the Roaring '20s, the era of talkies, movies with sound. The Vitaphone system, developed by Warner Bros., was a game-changer. It synchronized the images on screen with pre-recorded sounds on phonograph records, bringing characters to life with voices, sound effects, and musical scores. Then came the Technicolor Revolution in the 30s and 40s. It was a groundbreaking three-color process that brought vibrant, lifelike hues to the silver screen, replacing the former black and white imagery. This was a turning point in cinema history, making films like The Wizard of Oz and Gone with the Wind unforgettable. The 50s and 60s marked the advent of widescreen technology, such as CinemaScope and Panavision. These technologies expanded the frame, creating a wider and more immersive viewing experience, attempting to combat the rising popularity of television. The 70s and 80s saw the rise of digital sound systems like Dolby Stereo, which dramatically improved the audio quality. These systems delivered sound from multiple directions, creating a more immersive, realistic audio environment that enhanced the storytelling. In the late 90s, the digital revolution began. Digital projectors replaced traditional film projectors, offering sharper, clearer images. This change also allowed for easier distribution and storage of films. The 21st century brought us 3D technology, IMAX, 4DX, and the dawn of virtual reality, pushing the boundaries of immersion and realism. These technologies have allowed filmmakers to create worlds that feel more real and tangible than ever before. To sum up, cinema technology has come a long way since the hand-cranked projectors of the late 19th century. From silent films to talkies, from black and white to Technicolor, from mono sound to Dolby Digital, from film projectors to digital cinema, and from 2D to 3D and beyond, each advancement has transformed the movie-going experience, making it more immersive, more engaging, and more magical. So the next time you're sitting in a cinema hall, waiting for the film to start, take a moment to appreciate the century of technological innovation that makes it all possible. The evolution of cinema technology truly is a testament to human creativity and the never-ending quest for storytelling perfection.